Guys, today we're going to be adding the title and the icon in our toolbar. So let's jump right into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to main activity and I'm going to type in toolbar. I'm going to type in my toolbar equals to find view by ID. I'm going to say r.id dot my custom toolbar. And then it's going to show an error. You just want to type in alt enter and say cast to certain object. Okay. Then I'm going to type in set support action bar. Then I'm going to type in my toolbar. So basically what I just did was I created an instance of my toolbar. Then I set my support action bar so this support action bar is basically what you can edit. So I set the support action bar as this toolbar. So now I'll say my toolbar. Now I'll say get support action bar dot set title, and I'll set the title as countries because I'll make a countries app, and then I'll type in get support action bar dot set icon because we also want to give it an icon, right? So I'll say set icon, then I'll say get drawable, then I'll say r dot drawable dot the icon that I'll create. And I already created one, but I'll show you how to create one anyway. And I'll right click on drawable, click new, click image asset, then click on action bar and tab icons, name it whatever you'd like, then click on clip art, and then choose whichever you want. I picked the globe if you want to follow the tutorial. And then you just want to click next and make sure it's saving in the right place and click finish. I'm going to cancel it because I already have one. So I'm going to double click on the one that I have. And then it's going to say get drawable API 21. Because since we named the SDK to be 15 as the minimum, I'm going to make it 21 now. And I'm going to click sync now in order to sync the Gradle build throughout my project. Okay, I'll let that go in the background. And I'll X this out now because it's done and it should fix the error. Okay, so now we'll go to activity main, okay, and nothing shows up because we've identified it in the main activity when in the onCreate method. And the onCreate method is called when the app is launched. So you can either connect your phone into the USB port or you can use the emulator. I'm going to use the emulator because I can show it on the screen. I can also show the phone on the screen, but for right now I'll use the emulator. I'm going to use Nexus 6P API 23, and then when it's done loading, I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back and it loaded. Now you see that countries is on there as well as our icon. But now that you notice it, our countries is in dark and I really want it to be light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my toolbar and I'm going to type it over here. I'm going to type in APP, then I'm going to put a colon. If it shows an error like mine does, I'm just going to type in alt enter and it'll add this XMLNS thing that you have to have. Then on APP you want to type in you're going to have to type in sorry, I was having some technical difficulties, but APP, then you have to type in theme, then you want to type in @style / theme overlay app compat dark. So I'm going to double click that and then it should make it light. So I'm going to click on this little lightning fast thing. I'm going to go down to this and it's going to launch my activity again. And now you see the thing became white. So that's what I wanted. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. This series for the toolbar will keep going on until I'm fed up with it. So thanks for watching.